Looking to supercharge your YouTube growth? In this video, we're diving into the ultimate AI-powered keyword research strategy that can skyrocket your channel's visibility. If you've ever struggled with finding the right keywords to rank your videos, this is the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the perfect prompt to outsmart the algorithm and attract your ideal audience effortlessly. Let's get started. Step 1. Head over to income.tube and click on the AI prompt examples link on the left. Step 2. Click on the AI YouTube SEO keyword research prompt. Step 3. Just copy the prompt and paste it into our AI YouTube assistant. Step 4. Simply change the general niche topic ideas highlighted in bold to what's relevant in your niche. Step 5. Click Send. And just like that, you now have a structured keyword research analysis focusing on long-tail keywords related to your niche, including keywords, search volume, competition, search intent, relevance, and additional notes. The keywords identified have lower competition and are more targeted, making them easier to rank for while still attracting relevant traffic. In conclusion, using AI for YouTube keyword research is a powerful way to stay ahead of the competition. By following these simple steps, you'll be equipped with the insights needed to drive more traffic to your videos and grow your channel like never before. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more tips on boosting your YouTube success, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.